Hi guys, welcome back to our drone channel. I'm on my trail again. Today we're taking you way up into the heart of Austria, where rocky trails meet crystal clear streams and where our drones capture the quiet power of nature from above. This is what our drones are really made for, getting up close with nature without leaving any footprint. It's not about speed or stunts today, it's about flow, freedom and those wide open views that stay with you. So grab a breath of mountain air and let's dive straight into the vibes.